Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook pages. If you've never visited before, it's just a simple search, King Piers LLC. And while you're there, please leave a like and a subscribe. We are back up here in Lawrence, Kansas. This is one of our four-step full scope foundation repair projects. We're actually doing work on two walls on this house. The back wall right here, and then the side wall. I don't know how well it's going to come across in the video, but you can really see in person the interior lean on this foundation wall, pretty much from right here to really right here. So this is this will be a pretty significant straightening back to vertical. So what we have going on today, all the excavation along both walls, we've dug down to the footing, relieved all that outside pressure off of these two foundation walls. So now we are just getting our 6x6s, angle iron, and our bottle jacks. We still got some more to bring in, but we're getting all that situated. We will be likely pushing this back wall back to vertical later today. Really not nearly as significant of an interior lean as that side wall, but we should still be able to get that pushed back today. All that interior setup is going to remain in place until we get the piers installed underneath the footing that these foundation walls are setting on. So just to kind of give a brief overview of the four steps. Step number one is straightening the foundation wall. And then step number two, while we still have our interior setup keeping the wall vertical, we will dig underneath the footing, and in this case we'll do that from outside since we already have the trenches down to the footing. We'll dig 6 holes for our 6 King Pier IIs we're going to be installing, and we'll raise that footing back to its correct level elevation. At that point, we will take care of any crack repair from the inside with epoxy injection, final coat of NP150 polyurethane. We'll clean up all of the existing work that you can see here that's cracked over. Any loose material we will pull off and get it resealed with the proper material. And the final step of the 4 will be to install, in this case we're going to be doing 9 steel H-beam wall braces, and that's going to ensure that the walls remain vertical after we take down the 6x6s and the bottle jacks that we use to push the wall back. So yeah, we are getting most of the labor involved in this kind of project is just the amount of digging we have to do, essentially doubled for a project like this, doing it on 2 walls. So now that that's done, all of the setup will be put in place. Should be able to have all these walls pushed back by the first half of next week. This wall for sure later today. And then after that, it's just getting the piering done and the crack repair and the wall braces. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can always find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.